In this video, I'm breaking down everything that you need to know about UltraVPN, why it might be one of the most underrated VPNs for streaming, and whether it's actually worth using. What's up everyone, my name is Eric Hunsker, and let's be honest, when people think of VPNs for streaming, it's usually the big names, NordVPN, ExpressVPN, Surfshark. I mean, nothing wrong with those. Today, I want to shine a light on a VPN that most people are overlooking, and they probably shouldn't be. I'm talking about UltraVPN. It's not hyped up, it's not flashy, but it might just be one of the best hidden gems out there, especially if your main goal is smooth, fast streaming with solid privacy and zero hassle. So in this review, I'll walk you through the full picture. Performance, features, connection, speed, and most importantly, whether you can binge your favorite shows without buffering. Let's dive in. First things first, if you want to get started with UltraVPN, we'll have a link for you down in the description. That's going to bring you to this page right here where you can get over 70% off UltraVPN. Just click the link down below in the description and go ahead and click on Get the Deal. That's going to bring you to the checkout here where you can choose between their two different plans. There's UltraVPN and then there's UltraVPN Plus. UltraVPN is $299 per month, and that's billed as $35.88 per year for your first year. And then there's UltraVPN Plus, which is $47.88 for your first year. Now they're pretty much the same, but with UltraVPN Plus, you're going to get antivirus protection included, AI-powered safe browsing, application control, and it eliminates malware. So you just scroll down, fill out your information, and you're good to go. Now once you go ahead and get started with UltraVPN, this is what it looks like. Again, it's super clean and super minimal. So you've got this home button where you can go ahead and just click this button right here to connect. And if you click down here, you have a bunch of different servers to choose from. So you can go ahead and as you're scrolling, each country will be listed and it'll have the number of servers that they have for that country. And what's great is that you can also just search for a specific country or region that you're looking for, which is especially handy, especially if you're trying to stream something specific. Now coming down over here to settings, over here we have some different protocols that we can choose from. There's a Smart Protocol, Hydra Protocol, IPv2, and WireGuard. They also have a split tunneling feature, which we'll talk about later. You can route via a VPN and some other special features. Now you might be looking at this and thinking like, wow, that's it? That's all there is to the app? But honestly, that's kind of the point. It's sleek, it's minimal, and it works really well. Why UltraVPN deserves more attention. So here's the thing. UltraVPN has been around for a little while, but in the last year or so, it's really stepped up. Whether you're trying to access geo-blocked streaming platforms, avoid public Wi-Fi risks, or just stay a little more private online, it checks a lot of boxes. And for a VPN that isn't talked about in every tech blog or YouTube roundup, it's kind of shocking how well it performs. The biggest surprise is streaming. If you're tired of buffering, random disconnections, or apps that almost unblock the shows that you want, then UltraVPN might just be your new favorite tool. Streaming performance. Let's talk speed and access. Let's start with the thing that most of us care about, streaming. UltraVPN unblocks major streaming platforms like a pro. I tested it with Netflix US, UK, and Canada, and it all worked smoothly. Hulu, there was no hiccups. BBC iPlayer, which is usually picky, worked like a charm. Disney Plus, HBO Max, and Prime Video all work. But access is only half the battle. What about speed? UltraVPN uses something called Hydra Protocol, the same tech used by McAfee and Bitdefender. That's what makes a real difference here. I didn't expect much going in, but even with HD video and live streams, the speed held up. No buffering, no awkward pauses, no spinning wheels. It also helps that UltraVPN runs on a pretty serious server setup. 1,300 plus servers in 125 plus countries. This gives you tons of options and it ensures that you're never stuck on some crowded server halfway across the world. So if you're big into watching shows from other regions around the world or keeping up with international sports, you'll appreciate the consistent speed and reliability. I honestly didn't think that a smaller name like UltraVPN would hold up this well, but it really does. Security and privacy, not just fast, but locked down. Now, fast streaming is great, but not if your data is leaking all over the place. UltraVPN isn't just about unblocking shows, it's built for privacy too. First off, it uses AES 256 encryption, which is about as good as it gets. That's military grade protection, so even when you're on public Wi-Fi at a cafe or airport, you're not exposing your personal info to anyone snooping around. It also has a built-in kill switch if your VPN connection drops for any reason. UltraVPN will instantly cut off your internet so that your real IP address never leaks. It also has DNS leak protection, so this keeps your browsing history safe and away from your internet service provider or any other hackers. It has a strict no logs policy, so they don't track what sites you visit, what you download, or anything like that. Your activity stays yours. And yes, this no logs claim is backed up by third-party audits, which is something I always look for when looking at VPNs. Now, another cool security bonus is the dark web scanner. This isn't something that you get with most VPNs. UltraVPN will check if your info, like your email and passwords, has been found on the dark web, and it'll alert you if there's a breach. It's not just VPN level privacy, it's full-on digital security. Ease of use, super simple setup. Some VPNs are clunky. You install them and then it feels like you need a degree in networking just to pick a server. Not here. UltraVPN is one of the easiest setups I've tried. The desktop and mobile apps are clean, no bloat, and everything just works. You sign up, you download the app, you click connect, and that's it. You're protected. You don't have to tinker with settings, switch modes, or figure out weird features just to get connected. But if you do want more control, you've got options like split tunneling, which lets you route some apps through the VPN and others outside of it. This is super handy if you want your streaming app on the VPN, but maybe your banking app on your regular connection. Hidden features that are actually useful. This is where UltraVPN really separates itself from other budget VPNs. Number one is Passwatch Password Manager. This is included with every UltraVPN subscription, and this is a full-on password manager, not a half-baked browser extension. It stores your logins, it helps generate really strong passwords, and it auto-fills forms securely. There's no need to pay for a separate password manager with UltraVPN. Number two, 10 device connections. Most people have more than one device these days. UltraVPN lets you connect up to 10 devices at the same time. Phones, tablets, laptops, desktops. There's no juggling accounts or logging in and out constantly. 3. Built-in malware and phishing protection. While you're browsing, UltraVPN actively blocks malware sites and phishing attempts. It also strips out trackers and even some ads. It's like having a lightweight firewall running in the background while you stream or scroll. Pricing. Big value without the hype. Now here's the part that surprised me the most. For all these features, UltraVPN is really affordable. Right now, here's how the pricing breakdown works. So take a look at their two plans like we talked about. There's UltraVPN Plus and there's UltraVPN. One comes in at $3.99, the other at $2.99, both on a 1-year plan. So UltraVPN Plus will be $47.88 for the first year, while UltraVPN, the regular one, is $35.88 per year. So you get all the features, there's no paywalls or upsells, plus a 30-day money-back guarantee. So it's pretty low risk if you want to try it out. For the price, and considering that you also get password management, malware protection, dark web scan, and all that, it's kind of a steal. Now, what could be better? So no VPN is perfect. If you're super tech savvy and you want deep customization, specific port forwarding, VPN chaining, advanced kill switch options, UltraVPN might feel a little too simple. And while the speeds are great for streaming, it's not always as fast as the top tier providers across every single global server. Some international connections might dip slightly depending on traffic, but if your main focus is streaming, security, and ease of use, these are minor things. So who's UltraVPN actually for? If you just want something that works, something that lets you watch your favorite shows, protect your connection, and not overcomplicate your setup, UltraVPN is a fantastic choice. It's especially great if you stream a lot and you hate geo-blocks. If you're on public Wi-Fi often, like in cafes, airports, co-working spaces. It's great if you want extra digital safety tools without paying for 5 different subscriptions. Maybe you're not a tech geek and you just want a VPN that works right away. It's not trying to be the fanciest VPN in the world. It's just quietly great at what it does. So to wrap it all up, UltraVPN is kind of the best kept secret in the VPN world right now. It's fast enough for streaming, safe enough for travel, easy enough for anyone to use, and packed with bonus features that would normally cost extra elsewhere. You don't need to overthink it. If you're looking for a new VPN and you want something that covers all the basics without being a hassle, UltraVPN is 100% worth checking out. And yeah, if you want to give it a go, there is a link down in the description where you can grab a big discount and support the channel at the same time. But no pressure. And if you do, thank you. We really appreciate your support. But that's it for this one. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos just like this. But other than that, thank you so much for watching. We'll catch you here in the next one.